We've got a 320 going over the top of us, folks. Wow. Right, guys, I've got to keep focus and tracked on the 380 while I can. Why not, eh? Might get a bit of wind noise on this, folks. Beautiful. Hopefully she doesn't lose too much focus. Apologies about the wind, guys. Not really much I can do from that, unfortunately. Camera doubly tracked right on the nose. Absolute beast of a thing. What a shot. Exceptional. Absolutely incredible. Beautiful. And perfect correction on the center line. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Right. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Absolutely. I'm here, don't worry guys, I'm here. I'm still alive. Clive, that was insane. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, there you go, folks. That beautiful downwind turn. Just stunning. Mad Mike, brilliant Chris, made my day. It's made my day too, mate. That was phenomenal. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I can't believe how quickly she arrived here, guys. That is just insane. Right, I've got to keep my eyes focused on the Emirates.